The Lompe's Girl.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Today we'll talk about contract. What is a contract? Simply put, a contract is an agreement. We enter into agreements every day. The elements of a contract. An offer. What is an offer? An offer is a clear and specific proposal made by a party that referred to as the offeror with the intention that it be unconditionally accepted by another party. That is the offeree. Any derogation from the original offer means that there is no agreement. If, for instance, you say, okay, so any variation at all from the original offer means that there was no agreement. It's that simple. We enter into contractual relationships every day. Will you cut my lawn for X amount of money? You got a deal. I'll be there Saturday. And then the person gives the person the money. That's an agreement. That's a contractual relationship that has just been created. We do that every day. Now, there's certain persons that cannot enter into a contractual relationship. People that have not reached the age of majority. The age of majority varies from clime to clime, but usually persons that are less than 18 years of age cannot enter into a valid contract. Persons of unsound mind, for whatever reason, they can also not enter into a contractual relationship. Now, there has to be consideration in any contract. The consideration does not have to be money. It doesn't have to have monetary value. It just has to be important. It has to be value offered and value given. For example, properties are sometimes passed on amongst loved ones, the consideration being love and affection. That's a valuable thing. There is also this concept of, is it sufficient? There's no such thing as insufficiency of consideration. If it is value given, it is value added from one party to the other, then it is sufficient. Contractual relationship has been created. Now, there are all sorts of contracts. There are the express contracts. You also have implied contracts. A contract could be written or it could be oral. Now, the different ways in which we have contracts in our everyday lives. We enter into contracts of employment. We enter into contracts when we lease houses, whatever agreement. But I'll also like to talk later about a specific kind of contract, a special kind of contract, the marriage contract. And the things that could vitiate the contract, the marriage contract, and where the parties can no longer live together, what can lead to the solution of a contract. We'll talk about divorce. Now, I hope you stay tuned to this channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.
Lompe's Girl.